Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Citreon Berlingo 1.6 HDi Multispace. This vehicle is a 2016 66 plate car with 17,000 miles and 2 keys. The vehicle comes with good service history. I will now walk you around the vehicle to give you an insight to specification and condition. Starting at the front, we have the daytime running lights with fog lights. Down the side we have body coloured door mirrors and door handles with body coloured side mouldings and privacy glass on 3 sides. Body coloured rear bumper. As you can see, all the body coloured extras on this vehicle are an extra. Sliding side doors to allow maximum access. I'll now give you an insight to the interior specification. We have ample legroom for 5 passengers. Electric door mirrors with cruise control and audio controls. The audio system is a CD radio player with AUX functionality. Climate control with aircon and front and rear heated screen with electric front windows and storage pockets above your head. There is also underfloor security storage, as you can see behind both front seats. Thank you for watching. The vehicle will come with a 12-month MOT and a full service before leaving Luscombe's. If you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews. Thank you for watching.